that it's not much required to have your own, you can say, platforms or own, you can say, have to have, because blogging itself is a concept where you need to provide much of your own creativity.
Yes.
So once if you are over with that and you want to come to the market in a much professional way, then definitely you can move to it. Yes. So in the end, if we are reaching to the end, and one of the participant, as Dr. Kapoli Banerjee is there, who she was enthusiastic in asking, you can say that we want to have a few, you can say, minutes with her so that she can really acknowledge our work and this webinar. Ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Vikas sir, for inviting me to share my views on this webinar series. And first of all, I would like to thank our principal sir, who has actually helped us and helped the MCA department arrange this very informative and very interesting webinar for all of us. I would also like to thank MCA department, and their hard work shows over here. And I will also like to thank Vikas Singhal sir, who has, I can understand how hard he has worked for organizing this webinar. It was great, sir, and it was very interesting. And we are taking a lot from this webinar actually. And if I talk about the sessions, sir, the sessions were so interesting. The first session that we started with Dr. Himanshu Garg, he told us, it was so interesting. He actually told us and showed us what the COVID-19 scenario is right now and how it is being compared with the previous pandemics that we had in the world. And he also briefed about the importance of sleep and sleep disorders that we have. It was very important and very interesting. And what to say about Ram Lakshman Yadav? He is also a student of our family only. And he has opened the world of blogging to us, because being faculty, we stay away from blogging. We usually don't get into blogging. So he has opened the complete arena of blogging. He has not only explained how we should write blogs, but he has taught us actually from the scratch how we can start with blogging. And I am sure that many people over here will start their blogs very soon. And we will share it with Ram Lakshman. And we are looking forward to have one more session from him. And we had...
I will love to...
it was very... Ram, it was very, very informative, and it was really very interesting. We had Dr. Latika Singh, who also talked about the neuro disorder, development disorder, which is very important these days. And not only for us, for our children and coming up future students, it is a very important factor. We had Lokendra Pal Singh, who explained us the life and the journey of an entrepreneur. And to conclude, we had Jan ma'am, who explained us the quantitative research. And I think over here, the researchers, all of us are researchers. Our research never ends. And being in the academics, we will always remain researchers. So she explained everything so well. It was really very good, a very informative and a very interesting series. And we look forward from Vikas sir again to have such type of a series. And I'm really thankful to our GSS family for organizing and allowing us to attend this webinar series. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. More words I will hear from one of our own, you can say, very informative and he himself has written so many of, you can say, write-ups are there, and his technical team is working very hard in different areas. Mr. Tilak is there in the civil department. He would like to, sir, would you like to share some ideas about you and about this webinar, please? Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, first of all, I would like to take blessings from our Holiness Swamiji, and then I thank you, our principal sir, our HOD and Dean sir, Register sir, who I can see you, and you for this beautiful opportunity which has been given to me to share my opinions and few words here. Sir, actually two sessions personally from bottom of the heart, which was very excellent and beautifully coordinated. And this session, actually blog session, I am being a photographer. I was having this doubt actually. So, so most of the photos generally which I take has to be shared. And I used to maintain a blog. This was just a refreshing session and which was beautifully executed, first thing. So he went on step by step. And even I was just remembering my student days. Earlier, we never used to have a lot of money to go and buy things. So we used to go behind this free websites where we can put up things. And whenever we back then in SJC Mysore, whenever we used to do some activities, student activities, we used to rely on this kind of blogs to share. So this was really a refresher course to me.
True, sir.
So, sir, actually, this was a very informative course. So these days, in the lockdown period, individual faculty can use these kind of blog platforms to write his opinions and to do elaborative research. And another thing, Latika madam, what she was explained in the research, that was really very much impressive. I personally took a lot of inputs from it. I have making notes, few notes have written. I'm very keen on writing things. So those things are very much essential, as she has mentioned. I would really use those softwares to enhance my skill. So these sessions of three days have really refreshed my old memory, one in terms of blogging and utilization of software for the betterment of the articles. This too was very extremely good. Sir, I thank you personally for this wonderful opportunity, sir. And I thank each and everyone from my JSS family for this beautiful webinar.
I wanted to speak because I wanted you to speak because I knew that since you are using this platform and you must have come across a lot of many things. So then at least give the insight of it, what is being explained, what is the importance, and like how we can reach our own, you can say, technical concern, our own aspects, our own knowledge to
Yes,
the
sir.
people. Basically,
Yes,
so we have seen your work in our family, and like in JSS family is proud to have you here in your technical areas. So
sir,
that's
sir, sir.
it is our own honor. It is our honor to have you here. Thank you so much for your key words.
Sir,
I
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you for encouragement.
Thank you
Thank
so
you, sir. Thank you very much.
one speaker is there. One participant is there, Mr. Ashutosh Pandey from PSIT Lucknow. If he is available, can he come online, please? Ashutosh Pandey ji, are you there?
Sir, one of Tata Institute of Social Science Deputy Librarian, Dr. Viresh, is wanted to giving his feedback, sir.
Definitely, definitely.
Professor Viresh Hanchinal.
Then I will take up with the Ashutosh Pandey ji. Viresh ji,
Yes, sir.
I am unmuting you. Please come up.
Yes, sir. Ashutosh Pandey from PSIT.
Yeah, sir.
It was very means good experience, and I have actually at my side it is very low.
Bandwidth. I think there's a bandwidth problem with you at your side. So that's why you're not able to start your video. No issues, sir. No issues. I think there is a connectivity problem. We can come up with the various. Sir, can you unmute yourself?
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, Viresh ji.
I have unmuted my.
Yeah. You are audible, sir. Can you please give your brief about yourself and then continue with your concern about the webinar, sir? Viresh ji?
I have unmuted myself. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, sir. Hello? Sir, Achha. Viresh ji, you are audible. Please continue.
जो बोल रहा है अभिषेक।
Viresh, your voice is not coming.
Your voice is not coming, sir. Your voice is not audible, sir.
Can you hear me, sir?
Hello.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, now it is little voice is coming, sir. Can you speak a little louder, or you can increase the volume, please?
Yeah, I have increased the volume.
No, no problem. You can go ahead.
I thank the I thank the JSS Academy Noida for giving this wonderful opportunity during this unprecedented lockdown, where everyone is is stayed at home. But these are the opportunities like webinar, online webinars, which gives us a chance to update and keep us abreast about the latest developments. And also I thank the team of JSS Academy Noida for organizing such a wonderful webinar, and particularly I like all the sessions, but among all the sessions, today's morning session, first session, was really informative and very thought provoking, and it gave us a lot of insightful about research, qualitative research. And I really thank the JSS Academy for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir. The whole webinar was well organized.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Any other participant from the, you can say, list of participants if interested in giving a few you can say feedback about us?
Can I call the invite Rajashekhar?
I also wanted him. Dr. Saab, can you, Dr. Rajeshwara? Dr.
Rajashekhar
ji, can you come, please?
Dr. Rajashekhar, if he is on board, he can kindly give his feedback.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Okay, sir. First of all, okay,
please
sir.
give your feedback, sir.
Okay. First of all, I am thankful to JSS Mahavidyapita and JSS Technical Institutions Noida for giving me an opportunity to share my views on this webinar, sir. I have learned a lot from this webinar, particularly qualitative research and creation of blogging and neuroscience and speech. This has changed my attitude towards research, sir. I have learned a lot from this webinar, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I understand how the human actions based on rationality is bringing about a revolution in the 21st century. This is what I learned from this webinar, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
I think I can now we can take up with our registrar, sir, to end up with the session.
Before we go to registrar,
sir,
shall I invite
sir.
Rafia Begum?
Yeah, I also
She is on board. I am able to see she is on board.
Sir.
In the participants list, her name is there, Rafia Begum. Can I request Rafia Begum, madam, to please give the feedback?
Yeah, ma'am.
Her views about the webinar, international webinar. We would be very much thankful to Rafia Begum, madam, if she could give our views and feedback on the international webinar we conducted. Like what is the takeaway from this program? Rafia Begum, madam.
Are you there, ma'am?
No, she is logged in actually. She is logged in here.
Yeah, she is there, but I think
Logged in. She is logged in. Status is clear, from the list of the participants here on board. Well, if Rafia Begum madam is not able to hear us, then shall I request for the feedback from Sampath Kumar V.
Sampath sir.
Yeah, he is right now in Bengaluru. I would like to hear the feedback from Sampath Kumar V.
Sir, good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah, good afternoon, Sampath.
Sir, I would like to congratulate our head of the institution and organizing team. They have done a wonderfully, that is textbook accuracy way of execution of the webinar, and the identification of the speakers and maintaining discipline, especially in webinar session, toughest job. And both I would like to congratulate head of the department MCA Vikas Singhal. He has done a great job. And as far as the topics are concerned, all topics were very interesting, need of the hour, and also very informative. And all the speakers, they have executed their presentation in a very methodical way. And I think they have given a lot of pause in between each unit they have covered. That is the best way of connecting to all the attendees. And I don't know how our head of the institution is managing his time by attending 24/7 all the activities and also all the tracks of the webinar session without even 1 minute miss. Sir, I want to take this occasion to thank you, and that is the commitment you are leading with an example with for all of us. And I especially want to thank MCA, all faculty members. They have done a wonderful job, and it is the first time in our JSS family. And without, I think they have set a highest benchmark of a perfect execution. I congratulate complete team, and it was a very wonderful way of executing. And especially one more compliment I want to give for the team, that whatever quizzes they are putting up along with the feedback, I think it shows the involvement of the complete team. So I think it is a good milestone and benchmark you have set in our family. I wish good luck, and as you committed, kindly keep continuing this good job further also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, Sampath.
Thank you. Sir, anyone else you would like to have feedback?
I wanted to invite Dr. Rajesh Shekhar, sir, to hear from him his valuable feedback. He was very kind enough.
Yes, sir.
And another one or two I have just requested them to come forward. I think this, I have no other name in my mind to invite specifically for giving the feedback. It's well done, excellent. Now you can go to you can invite registrar and the dean academics.
Right, sir.
And I think you have any plans to put your the experience of organizing this, that also is very important. You also please speak.
Definitely.
And finally, I will say a few words to all of them, and we will conclude the program.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Over to registrar, sir.
Hello. Good afternoon, Principal Sir, Convener Professor Vikas Singhal and his team and delegates who have blessed us with their presence in the international webinar on qualitative research, blog rating, and neuroscience in outbreak of COVID-19, which was scheduled on 20th to 22nd May 2020. I think COVID-19 is not just a medical pandemic. It is a social event that is disrupting our social order. We are all facing extraordinary situation due to lockdown. With this unprecedented lockdown, everything has come up to an abrupt halt, and academic world is also not an exception. Because of the forced closure of the educational institutions, the entire higher education system has been badly disrupted. In this type of situation, e-learning is made mandatory for the students as well as teachers and also for colleges and universities. So in this threat, our college, this threat has been converted into an opportunity by conducting online classes, online tests, online meetings, and good number of webinars. This is also one such effort made by the MCA department. So in this, all 6 special lectures delivered in 3 technical sessions in 3 days was very good. Around nearly 300 faculty members and professional staff members, India as well as international, and colleges and universities also joined virtually. I congratulate our principal sir, who is guiding force for us. Once again, I thank all the delegates across the India and abroad, and also all the eminent speakers. I congratulate Professor Vikas Singhal and his team on behalf of management. Because of his personal hard work from last 1 month, this webinar was concluded very successfully. Thank you all the organizers for this webinar. Thank you very much from management as well as on behalf, sir. Thank you, sir. Over to Vikas Singhal, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to take opportunity from our Dean Student Welfare is also there. Dr. Prashant Chauhan, sir, is there from day one. So if you could...
Yeah, Prashant Chauhan, let him give the feedback.
Yes,
I
sir.
will welcome Dr. Prashant Chauhan.
Sir.
So please give his views and opinion on the...
Good afternoon, sir. Principal, sir. Dean Academic, Star, sir, Vikas, sir. Basically, this particular field is not related to my domain, but I learned so many things, and today's blog making is quite good. So for me, it is a very different type of experience. Thanks, Vikas, sir, for conducting such a wonderful program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite our Dean Academics, Professor Jagdish sir, who will has been very enthusiastic and has been supported since the day one for this webinar, and I would like to ask him to share some, you can say, key points which he would have come across this webinar for every one of us. Thank you, sir. Please, Jagdish sir, you are over to you, sir. Yeah, we can. Yeah, it's unmuted.
Respected principal, participants from across globe, academic colleagues from JSS Noida, friends. I feel honored and privileged to be a part of this international webinar on qualitative research, blogs writing, and neuroscience in outbreak of COVID-19. First of all, I would like to congratulate Professor Vikas Singhal and his department faculty members for their wonderful, meticulous work to organize this highly informative, rich knowledge 3-day international webinar. Secondly, I would like to congratulate all the participants in this, participated in this international webinar. Most importantly, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all the resource persons for their brilliant lectures and intense interactions with participants in this 3-day international webinar. It is a matter of immense pride for me to convey my gratitude to our principal, Professor G.M. Patil, for adding new dimension for the successful organization of a 3-day international webinar in a most befitting manner, along with Professor Vikas Singhal. Principal, sir, proved that all the things are possible if you can believe. This is really appreciable one. Hats off to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your kind words. I would like now invite our respected principal, sir, who has been, you can say, a hard, you can say, rock, like he has always been working hard for all of us and making the institute pride in every sense. And without his, you can say, enthusiasm, and without his great effort that he has really put in, this webinar would not have been possible to execute. I've been, you can say, asking him day and night, disturbing him late hours, like in night. Sometimes I have called him even at 12:45 rather in the night. And he was, you can say, very enthusiastic, and with the same spirit that he has in the daytime, has answered all my queries and given me all the way always. I respect him in every sense and thank him for giving me such a great opportunity to, you can say, implement, you can say, present this webinar in front of entire nation, which has really given us a good, you can say, in every sense, we have got feedback which really proves that our work has been proved to the extent possible we really never thought of. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to invite you, sir, to share your few, you can say, feedback regarding this and any other information that you want to share with our team, our management, and you can say our participants that are there online, sir. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Vikas Singhal ji, for inviting me to give my views on international webinar. At the outset, I extend my pranams to the lotus feet of His Holiness Mahaswamiji, Jagat Guru Sri Sri Shivratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji, the Pontiff of JSS Math Mysuru, and President Jagat Guru Sri Shivratri Shura Mahavidyapita Mysuru, for his divine blessings for all of us in this campus. Under his blessings, under his guidance, under his inspiration, we are able to conduct all these activities. And I immensely thank pranams to the lotus feet of His Holiness Mahaswamiji. Because of his blessings, we are successful in all our activities. He is the source of inspiration and beacon of light for all our activities in this campus. Moving forward, we could conduct this program successfully, the international webinar on qualitative research, blog writing, and neurosciences in the outbreak of COVID-19, with the guidance and support of our Honorable Executive Secretary of the JSS Mahavidyapita, Dr. C.G. Betsulmatji, and with the guidance and support of Honorable Advisor. He was my teacher and mentor at AJC Mysuru, and I was studying engineering there in Sri Jaichamarajendra College of Engineering, Mysore. He was the principal at that time. Now he is the advisor to Technical Education Division, JSS Mahavidyapita Mysuru. A great source of inspiration always for me. He is my teacher and mentor. It is with the support and guidance of Advisor Technical Education Division, JSS Mahavidyapita, Professor M.S. Dhananjayaji, and with the guidance and support of Director Technical Education Division, Director for Academic Administration and Planning and Development, Technical Education Division, Dr. C. Ranganathayaji. Yesterday, day before yesterday, on the opening day, I requested him to join us and bless us and guide us with his kind words. But because of his busy schedule, he promised me that since this program is there for 3 days, I will come and attend your program, and I will, give my guidance and support for holding this program in one of these 3 days he had mentioned. So yesterday again at 10:30, I called him up. He was very kind and readily he got things ready from his end in his office for joining online on the Zoom platform. He was very kind. His words of wisdom and support and guidance was of great value for all of us here for holding this program successfully. And further to it, our Dean Academics, Dr. Jagdish, who works with me almost 24/7, and Dr. Shirur, Registrar, the same kind of commitment and devotion, dedicated. We have meetings till 11 o'clock, 11:30. We keep discussing and we keep finalizing the various documents, and we sign digitally and then do the necessary processing. We are working, there is no time bound. We complete the day's work and then we say the day is, it is completed. And the support of CAO and AO, Chief Administrative Officer Dr. Commodore B.K. Gupta ji, and Account Officer Manoj Kumar, and our Liaison Officer Rajanna ji were of great help for us to arrange for this program. And the person who shouldered the responsibility, Vikas Singhal, head of the MCA department, he shouldered the responsibility and he planned it, conceptualized it, did the planning and executed very successfully. He has worked day and night, 24/7. There are many dimensions, many angles, there are many aspects of the program, the finalization of topic and identifying the resource persons, taking their consent, all these things, he has managed very meticulously. He has got best of the personalities, nationally and internationally, for the various topics on which the presentations were given during the international webinar. I give the credit of making this program a great success. First international webinar, if I am right, we have gone on record to celebrate, hold this first international webinar in a befitting way to the stature of JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida. Anything we take up at the JSS Noida campus, we conduct it very successfully. We create the new benchmarks for others to follow. And this was one such another activity where we have achieved the highest in all respects, planning and execution. The resource persons, Dr. Himanshu Garg, respiratory and sleep physician, Royal Darwin Hospital, Darwin, Australia, who gave his presentation on the opening presentation on the first day, on 20th, was really very informative. And he went to the micro level, to sub-micro, including the, the neural junctions, neuronal networks, and the synaptic potential movements, which is ionic in nature, but we measure from the body surface in the form of the neuronal potentials and currents of the order of picoamperes. It was a wonderful and very informative presentation by Dr. Himanshu Garg, and so also the presentation by Dr. Latika Singh, Professor, School of Engineering and Technology, Ansal University, Gurgaon, and the presentation by Mr. Lokendra Pal Singh was excellent, bringing and sharing his rich experience with the participants, and the presentation by Dr. Sunaina Jain, Associate Professor Operations Management, Institute of Management Studies, IMS Ghaziabad, and also the presentation yesterday and today by Mr. Ram Lakshman Yadav. Is a very proud alumnus of my institution, and he has given the wonderful presentations both the days with hands-on and with all the details of blogs and blog writing, and he has gone to the full depth of it. It was very interesting, and it was really thought-provoking. It was an excellent presentation by all the resource persons. the presentations and all the presentations were very well planned, and they came up with very good material, very good information. The lectures, the presentations given during the international webinar were of the highest quality. And all this was managed. I was joining for the sessions from the beginning and listening to the sessions continuously. It was really, like very interesting, informative. For me also, it was really, the stuff was a new knowledge. Whatever the material was presented during the international webinar was a great new knowledge for me also. In the meantime, I was attending to other things, having now small interactions, meeting in my chamber, but continuously keeping connected with the international webinar. I, would like to congratulate Vikas Singhal, head of the MCA department and convener of this program. And I would like to congratulate Shivani Dubey, Assistant Professor in the Department of MCA, and Mr. Hanmant Rao, Assistant Professor in the Department of MCA, and other faculty members who have played a very active role in making this event a great success. It has been a landmark achievement, and this international webinar is going to be definitely a motivation for the other departments, HODs, to conduct similar events. We have the delegates. We received a response from 602 aspirants to join for the program, but because of the permission available, the provisions that we could accommodate was only maximum 500. We accepted. We gave the confirmation to 500 participants, and all the time the mega event we have conducted is this international webinar. It was a huge success. There are always 268, 279, opening day 369, maximum delegates from all over the country, and some entries we issued. Resource persons were also from abroad, and some entries we issued from the universities in Ethiopia. It was a truly international webinar in terms of participation and the resource persons, and it is a historic success. I would like to at this juncture invite other heads of the departments to kindly plan for such activities. Now, this is the order of the day: arranging for the physical meetings, arranging for physical conferences. Is no more going to be there, at least for the coming 1 year or even more than that, because the situation what we are witnessing now doesn't permit for having the physical meetings, conferences, and this is going to be the way forward. The teaching, the meetings, the conferences, we have to hold them on the online platform. We conducted recently one of the very important events, the Entrepreneurship Development Cell e-summit activity that was completely conducted by online means. This is the international webinar that is really the biggest event we ever had in this institution at the international level, in the true spirit, in the letter and spirit. The international webinar has become the great success. I once again congratulate Vikas Singhal, the convener of the program. He used to call me at 11, 11:30, 12, 12:45 also. I would take call and talk to him and respond to his call, and again continue to sleep. I responded very peacefully. When we conducted the Entrepreneurship Development Cell EDC program, he talked to me till 1:15, head of the MBA department, Dr. Yogendra Singh, and morning 4:30 he is again calling me with hardly gap of 2 hours 45, 3 hours 45 minutes. 2 hours 45 minutes of gap, not even 3 hours. Well, we are able to effectively conduct these programs and cope with the demand of the situation, having the capacity to conduct the activity successfully during the difficult times. So I would like to thank and congratulate Vikas Singhal, his team, Shivani Dubey and Hanmant Rao, and Dean Academics Dr. Jagdish, Registrar Dr. Shuru, and my entire team, CAO, AO, and liaison officer, every one of them. there was a core commitment. That was the crux and core, what we call it as a program, was to know how it delivered to whatever we had committed, and the quality and the efficacy. It has produced the desired results. The feedback was very encouraging. Dr. Rajesh Shekhar sir gave excellent feedback. So also other participants, they came forward to give the feedback. The feedback was very encouraging. That was the the test of I call it as a test of fire. Where we have to sustain. We have to hear from the delegates, and they are the the important stakeholders. I would like to thank and congratulate the participants also. They have sat through the sessions very patiently. There have been some shifting of times here and there, connecting to the headquarters JSS Mahavidyapita Mysuru. And myself, I have a meeting. I finished this meeting yesterday 2:30, 3 o'clock. I have a webinar with Tata Consulting Services on WebEx platform. I have to quickly finish my lunch, get ready, and there are many challenges. Every day we are facing new challenges, and we are capable to cope with the demand of the situation, effectively handle and deliver what is expected of a particular assignment. I am proud of my team. I am proud of all of my HODs, my Dean Academic Jagdish, our Registrar Shirur, every one of them in my campus. I am very proud of them. The team is able to shoulder the responsibility and deliver the best. And I am confident in the coming days with this kind of support from the my HODs, my colleagues here in my campus, and the excellent response and the good support. Our Kakuli Banerjee madam also gave very good feedback from CSE department. They are all very enthusiastic and hardworking. Many of our faculty members were there on board. I have seen from the list of the participants, and overall, I rate it as the best of the program, best of the international webinar we had, and it is first of its kind, and it was a great success. It went off without any hiccups. I congratulate Vikas Singhal, Shivani Dubey, Hanumant Rao, and my entire team, Dean Academics and Shirur, for their contribution, for their hard work and the involvement, for sending again the message from JSCT Noida. The international webinar was conducted very successfully to the outside world. All delegates, they are fully satisfied. I am proud of my team, and I would like to congratulate and thank the participants also for the patient listening. I thank one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for the kind words that you have shared for all of us. It's really a great journey that we have covered today in these 3 days. So in the end, with the, you can say, ending the session, and really what you have said for the participants, they have really been very keenly, they have been listening to all the 3 days. And as of now also, I could see there are more than hundreds of participants are listening.
Yeah, there are, yeah.
For our, you can say, valedictory, function, this end of the time.
Normally for valedictory, no one will attend the valedictory function. Once the sessions are over, they all will start moving. They are very, very committed, and they really mean their participation, and they want to encourage all of us here, for the organizers. Nice. They are really great participants. I am proud of them.
Yes, sir. I am too, sir. I am too feeling very happy, from everybody's side, that they have supported in every way. And there was no, you can say, sort of mishappening from any of the participants all throughout these 3 days. So, with signing up with the blessings of our, you can say, Holiness, Jagat Guru Shri Shivratri Shara Deshikendra Mahaswamiji. And I really am really thankful for you can say, this wonderful organization that I am working in, that I am blessed with such type of, you can say, people that we have across. I am also thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Vinay Kumar Pathak sir, who has been, you can say, landmark for all of us in the entire institution, and helping us out in every of the aspect. I thank our respected principal sir, Dr. Gurulingappa M. Patil sir, for supporting us in every hurdle that we have come across. Our CEO sir, Commander B.K. Gupta ji, who has been a landmark and has been a backbone always for the institute, has helped us in achieving the goals in every, you can say, type of a event that we have covered in this institution since inception. Our Dean Academic sir, Dr. R.S. Jagdish ji, he is really keeping up the academic matters in the best possible way. I thanks to him also. Our registrar sir, Dr. S.S. Shirur, without whom you can say this institution is, I think, I really feel proud on I can say that proudly, I proudly use his word outside this institution, that whatsoever you want to know, just call one person, our registrar sir, and you will get the query from Noida to you can say AKTU Lucknow. He knows the best everything in knowledge of regarding this university and the rules and regulations for the institutions, for the, you can say, students, for the faculty. He has been helping us in each and every aspect. Thank you so much, Registrar sir. I also thank our accounts officer, Shri Manoj Kumar Sarji, who has been meticulously working very hard in every sense to give us the best as he can. I am thankful again to all our experts, all the 6 days, 3 days in the 6 sessions that we have covered with great enthusiasm, and they have really given us the best possible. As I'm not only the one who is, the participants has given the feedback, and through the chat box, everybody can see that it was really remarkable sessions in each and every, you can say, session. We have got the best possible outcome from the experts. They've really shown the best of their knowledge, what they have in their. So I thank in the end my department and my colleagues, Shivani Dubey ma'am and Hanumant Rao sir, who has worked with me for this, you can say, complete since the beginning, and giving their brief ideas and the overview of how to take up with the experts, how to call them, what type of a platform we can use, how the, you can say, the title that can be according to the experts view and expert, you can say, sessions, and the title of the webinar has to be executed, and everything was well organized. I think I got a very enthusiastic team, and I really thank to, especially to my coordinators, to the bottom of my heart, who have worked day and night along with me and supported me in giving all the best that we can have for the institution. I thank the complete entire department, because the other faculty members has worked as a backbone to all of us in getting the, you can say, every type of material, participants from various, you can say, sources they have, and everything of their concern. I thank everyone. And as of now, as my feedback for this webinar, which has been, you can say, going to conclude today, I really feel honored and I have learned rather a lot in launching this through this technical platform of Zoom. Earlier, I was little nervous as of thinking that whether I'll get the participants for this webinar or not. So, but by the grace of His, you can say, the blessings that we have from our Swamiji and our principal sir and or our colleagues, our supporting, you can say, everyone from support from everyone, where I felt I have reached a figure of 632 participants, I believe. But you can say that when we wanted to start on 20th, the 19th day was the day when I have said that I should close up by now, because I'll not be able to respond for more than these people. Otherwise, it would have reached more than 700 of the, you can say, list of the interested candidates. So after that, then the second step was that how to cover up, because the Zoom platform is not giving us the support of more than 100 participants. So then again, we thought of moving it to WebEx. Then WebEx also was giving only 200 is the limit. So in order to move, and asked our colleagues, you can say, coordinators, how to go about it. So we all we arranged all this into a best possible way we could, and we could arrange for up to the 500, you can say, participants into it. So in order to have, you can say, 500 was the limit. So I kept around 25 to 30 with us, so that to accommodate our management team, at the last end door entry, you can say, as always is there, and you can say our keen staff who could not arrange in the last moment of time. So definitely I would have to adjust to some of the people. So 470 was the limit which I took, and I have that list which I have approved in Zoom as 470 participants. But I believe due to the technical problems and the issues, the people have not jumped to that extent of 470. But if I show the list of attendee, then the unique, you can say, participants have crossed 400 plus. If they have logged in even for 1 minute, I will say that they have supported us. Even for 1 minute, I will say they had supported us. So that was the concern that I would like to share with you all, that it was 400 plus that the participants had reached to us in every day. I have the attendance of it, and it's not the attendance that I have made it. It is the Zoom that is giving us the opportunity to take up that attendance from it. And even if the participant has logged in for 1 minute, I have that one. So 400 plus, I will say that the participant has logged in to JSS ATE Noida. And really, it's a remarkable thing. I thank everyone in the end, and would appreciate if Principal Sir would let us have the opportunity to go ahead with more such programs in future. Thank you so much, and thank you participants. And I believe that I'll be winding up with this session with all the, you can say, videos, PPTs, feedbacks, questionnaires, everything is there and will be shared on the common platform that I've been using through the WhatsApp and the Telegrams. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe and be with us. And please wait for the next event that we're going to launch very soon from JSS ATE Noida. Thank you, sir.
हो गया
सर?
सबका स्पीच हो गया?
सर
हो गया ना?
जी सर.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
All the participants who are there on board, they'll just hear. I thought, oh man, I was speaking to somebody here who came for sanitization. I muted. I can't unmute myself. It is asking for the host to unmute it.
Sir, we have used at least a little bit of secured platform, and there are a lot many options available in Zoom. So
Correct.
if I uncheck them, then it will be available to the entire team, that is the entire, you can say, participants that are available in Zoom. So in order to make it a little secured and you can say without any noise and huddle and puddle,
Yeah, smooth,
little
smooth
secure.
and safe. Yeah.
So I feel sorry if anybody has faced problem and could not, you can say.
No, it is okay. It was a great success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
It was a historic success.
Thank you so
A
much.
landmark achievement for the JSS ATE Noida.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate your words, sir. I appreciate your words.
Wonderful work you have done. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
I can end up this meeting, sir, with your permission?
Yeah, sure. Please.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Please. Please. Thank you very much. Thank you all.